Hey everybody, welcome and thanks for joining me and my furry sidekicks for another video. Zena's here. Wyatt's on bug patrol. As soon as he comes outside, do you want to say hi to everybody? As soon as he comes outside, that's what he does. He immediately goes on bug patrol. It's a little cool today, but we're still outside because, and finally, I might have the right temperature for my unhaul today because I'm doing jackets. I decided to put a pause on dresses and move over to jackets because you guys know I love jackets and it's fall and I feel like my boxes might have more jackets in them and I need to clean my jackets out. So we're going to do a should it stay or should it go video on jackets. And since these are going to be much quicker than me doing dresses, I have 7 of them that we're going to go through. And these are jackets that I, for some reason, have not pulled out, and I'm not sure why. And I haven't tried them on for a while, so we're going to check them all out. What do you think? So my jackets hang in my closet in color order. So most of these are black because I went blue and then black. So I stuck the couple blue ones in the middle so we're not looking at a whole bunch of black all at once. Sorry, but that's how my jackets hang in my closet, so that's what you're mostly going to see today. So let's get to this and see what I need to get rid of. Okay, so the first jacket is by INC. It's a mixed media, so you can see it's like stretchy and comfy in parts of it, and then it's fake leather in parts of it. All right, so here's what it looks like, and I have on a jumper today, so I thought that'd be a good outfit in order for me to try these jackets on with. So I'm going to keep the same outfit on for all the jackets. Sorry, I'm not changing out outfits. So here's what it looks like. It does have zippers here on the side, so it's a kind of a moto style, but it's more of a asymmetrical zip. And I think that it's a little bit big for me, which is why I'm not reaching for it. So the sleeves are a little long and you can't really roll them, which is what I typically do. And I've kind of got a lot of room here. And I'm thinking maybe that's why I haven't picked this jacket for a little while. I do like the zipper pockets. It's my normal style. But I may have other jackets I pick instead. Although I do like the mixed media style of it. So what do you think? Stay or go? It's not a bad jacket. I think I've had it for a little while, probably a few years now. Alright, that's jacket number 1, the INC mixed media jacket. Let's do the next one. Next one is by White House Black Market, and I'm calling this one the Relaxed Blazer. So it has the zippers here in the pocket. It has no, oh, it does have a closure. It has a one button closure there. It's kind of low. It is a little bit of a longer style. It is very relaxed. And I think I was thinking it was not as fitted as it is. So it is fitted through the shoulders, but relaxed everywhere else. Get a little bit closer. Hopefully you guys can see this. So actually this isn't a bad blazer. I wonder why I didn't pick it. I think I thought it was sloppier, for lack of a better word, like maybe looser fitting, but it does actually come in a little bit on the side, so it doesn't lay as boxy as I thought it was going to. Alright, so this one is jacket number 2, the White House Black Market what did I call this one? Relaxed Blazer. I'm kind of liking this one now. It's actually very comfortable too. You could easily throw on a t-shirt and jeans with this and be super dressed up. And this might not be bad for traveling. I'm wondering why I didn't wear it. I kind of like that it cuts out here at the bottom too. It's kind of cute. All right, I may be talking myself into keeping this one. All right, let's do another one. Next up, this one is also by INC, which was the first one, yeah. And this one must have been hanging in my closet a little bit crooked, I see, or wrinkly. This one is called the INC Color Block. That's what I'm calling it. It also has an asymmetrical zip. And it's color block because it has these white stripes on the sides and up the arms. It does have the zippers on the sleeve. It's a very soft, comfy, almost sweatshirt-like material. It does have pockets. And I haven't reached for this one for a little while either. Although I do like how it's coming in on the side now. Ugh. See, and you guys have to help me because I like jackets, and sometimes I wonder if I just like all jackets. But this one does fit nicely, and it is so comfortable. It's like a sweatshirt. And the color blocking is kind of cool. All right, this one was jacket number 3, INC Color Block. And let's go to number 4. Okay, number 4 is by Lou & Grey. I'm calling this the Lou & Grey Two-Toned. And it also is super comfortable. It's very soft, almost sweatshirt material again. And it's this lighter texture. It has a, it's kind of a pattern. It's a very slight pattern in the front part of it, and then it's the solid blue in the sleeves. It does have pockets. It's a little bit lower in the front, higher in the back, and it just has like the shawl collar, no closures. And I never reach for this one. Should it stay or go? I think my problem with this one is I never know what to wear it with aside from a white shirt and jeans. I think that is my problem with it. I never know what else to wear it with. So if I kept it, I need outfit ideas. Because I have a million things I can wear with denim and a white shirt. Alright, next jacket. This was number 4, the Lou & Grey Two-Toned. Alright, this next one is by the Loft, and it's the Loft Blue 3/4 sleeve. It's kind of like a jean jacket, but it's not denim. It's a shorter style, as you can see. It's in this nice, pretty, pale blue, almost a light gray color, but it does pull a little bit blue. And I never reach for this, ever. And I don't know why, and I'm embarrassed to say, but the tags are still on it, and this has to be 3 years old. So why have I never reached for this jacket? And when I bought it, I remember thinking I really, really wanted it. So it's cute, right? It'd be cute going into fall. has little pockets in the front, pockets on the side here that zip actually. These are zip pockets. It looks cute with this little jumper. So why am I not wearing this? Alright, this one was the number 5, the Loft Blue 3/4 sleeve. Keep or go. Stay or go. Darn it, I could have worn it today with this outfit. Alright, next. Alright, we're back to black again. This is number 6. It's the coated asymmetrical jacket by Express. It does have this cute ribbing here on the inside, if you can see that, and it does kind of cross over here. It has a snap that you could take this fairly tight and zip it the whole way up, which I can do because it snaps both at the bottom and at the top, and you could get it up pretty tight there. Then it's more of a fitted look. I don't like anything too close to my neck, as you guys know, so we're not going to do that. And it does have zippers here at the sleeve. It is comfortable, so it's like super stretchy. And it's not a bad jacket. It has a little bit of a, now that the sun's out, maybe you guys can see, it has a bit of a shine to it, which is nice. Lots of nice stretch to it. It's not a bad jacket. I have a string here, but otherwise it's fine. Why am I not wearing this one? Alright, should it stay or should it go? It has the ribbing here in the back as well. And this one was number 6, the Express coated asymmetrical jacket. And I have one more to share. Alright, the last jacket is by INC. I'm calling this one the INC zip pocket. It has these little pockets, has a little pointy front. It does zip up. It starts in the middle, which is kind of different. It is fully lined, and it comes a little higher on the neck, probably higher than I actually prefer, which might be why I'm not picking it. Ow, caught my hair. So this is what it looks like fully zipped. A little too high on my neck, but this is what it looks like. You could probably just do it like that, which would be a little bit more to what how I would wear it, and probably have worn it more like this, which is cute because then it just comes in the middle and comes out both the top and bottom. So this is what it looks like. It's definitely dressier. As I said, it's fully lined. It's a silkier fabric. And it's pretty. But I'm not reaching for it. So why is that? When it hangs open, the flap definitely doesn't stay in place, so it looks more like this. Almost bolero style, I want to call it. So this is the last jacket. Should this one stay or should it go? And this one is by INC, and I'm calling it the zip pocket. Alright, let's do a recap. Alright, so first, let me tell you what I did with the last video, which was the sweater dresses. I did end up keeping 2, so that's the most I've kept from any of the should they stay or should they go videos yet. I ended up keeping the black and white one and the 2 black and white ones. This one was black and white as well. So this is the plain one, no color blocking at the bottom. The one that was a little bit longer. So these were the 2 I ended up keeping for a little bit longer. So we'll see if I wear them going into the fall season. If I don't, then that means they will go. So thanks so much for helping me with the last video. Now let's talk about this one. So what'd you think? I think I need to get rid of most of them to make room for new ones. But I don't know. I could get talked into any jacket. That's how pathetic I am. So let's run through them real quick. So first up was the INC Mixed Media. This was the one that had like the faux leather. It was kind of the moto style. I think this one was too big. I'm leaning towards getting rid of this one. So the second one was the White House Black Market Relaxed Blazer. So this one I think is classic. It actually didn't hang as loose as I thought it was going to. So I'm thinking about keeping this one. The third one was the INC Color Block. What did you think of this one? I'm on the fence about this one. It actually looks pretty nice on, but I'm not reaching for it. So help me decide, stay or go. Number 4 is the Lewin Gray. And what do you think? Stay or go? I'm calling this the Lewin Gray two-toned. And since I can't think of outfits to wear with it, I'm leaning towards going. Next is the Loft blue 3/4 sleeve. Since I felt like I should have put this on with this little jumpsuit today, I'm leaning towards maybe keeping it. Help me decide. Next was the Express Coated Asymmetrical Zip. So once I put this on, it seemed kind of cute. So I don't know, yes or no. This one's a maybe for me right now. I need to think about this one. It didn't look bad on. It was kind of cute. It's very soft and comfortable. And last up is this INC zip pocket that I zip my hair into. And I'm leaning towards no on this one. It's actually a very pretty jacket. I'm just thinking I would always have to keep it zipped to get the, you know, the front to lay down nicely. I don't know. It seems like a bother. And I don't know if I like it hanging with this part closed when it's open. I don't know. I'm leaning towards maybe getting rid of that one as well. So what is that? I think maybe I picked 2 or 3 out of the 7 to keep. I'm leaning towards. So that means you guys have to help me. So help me decide out of these 7 which ones you think I should keep. I will list them all for you down below. I will also try to put them here at the end of the video. So let me know, should they stay or should they go? Thanks so much for spending some time with me and my sidekicks and for helping me clean out my closet. I so appreciate it, especially when it comes to jackets because I tend to be a little weak in that area. So I do need the help. So please, please, please comment below. I love, love, love doing these videos because you all are so awesome with all of your comments. I so appreciate it. Tell me what you think. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and please hit that like button and show me some support. I would love, love, love it if you'd hang out with us for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. And if you've already subscribed, thank you, thank you, thank you. Until next time, everyone, have an amazing day. Bye.